Good King Wenceslas looked out on the feast of Stephen, when the snow lay round about, deep and crisp and even.
Welcome to Beery Christmas, December 23rd. So, do you see how stable the image is? I bought one of those fancy camera stands. I don't trust it. New stuff is weird, but let's try it out. So, today's clue is that the Loch Ness monster is now no snake in the grass. And, well, we have a couple of Scots here, we have grass. Seems pretty obvious, doesn't it? So, let's go. 23rd, pairing with Christmas turkey. We have Christmas ham in Sweden, by the way. So this is Tempest Brewing Company's Yule Scotch Ale. Well, I'm not gonna have a Christmas turkey, but I am gonna pair it with Christmas saffron buns, or actually Pac-Man. What do you think? Do you like the one without an eye or with an eye? Well, I'm gonna have this one, so let's see how this works. Lovely dark color. Lovely dark smell. And let's see. Lovely dark taste. I'm a little bit disappointed. I thought it was going to be something really strange, but it's a good beer. Don't do this.